Good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and I want to look at Deckers today. Now, this was a stock that actually one of our newer members in the forum asked about this. I was gone last week; I didn't see it. He asked about the stock back here. I think it was on this day, but it might have been this day. And what he was asking was, hey man, this looks like one of your volatility squeezes that you talk about. You know, it's tightening up here and here, close to the 50-day moving average. What do you think? Well, that's what I think. This is like a very, very good squeeze. And you can see once the stock popped out above Friday's intraday high of 332.32, then this thing really blasted off. Let's look at the present day. Okay, so this is the 15th. Okay, this was the high back here, 332.32. So once the stock moved, boom, above there, it hiccuped for just a minute. You know, it's like, hey, prior resistance again, and then wham, took off and never looked back. And so it's a great trade for us. We got in. I didn't get in as early as I wanted to, but I made the trade. And now as we look at the weekly chart, this is where it's really cool. This is a stock that's just in an uptrend. If you look at the 10-week or 50-day moving average, you see it is just absolutely supporting this stock right here, right along like that. This is what you want to see a stock do. So this is one of these trades where, you know, I would say you could treat this as a short-term trade, okay? You could treat this as a short-term trade, but that's not really what I'm thinking about here. And by the way, okay, here's a plug. If you're not a member of Stock Market Mentor, we got traders that see this kind of stuff all the time, and they see it in real time in the forum. I'm in there too. 30 days on me. You know, just sign up for the free 30-day trial. If you don't like it, cancel. It's okay. We got people canceling all the time. We have people joining all the time. That's the nature of this business, okay? They come in, they go out. Hopefully you'll come in, at least give it a shot. You may be one of those that stays if you have what it takes. But this is what I'm looking at. I don't know about that, but I'm looking for the stock to do this and then start rallying up. Okay, this would be a typical volatility squeeze breakout, phase 1 on the breakout, phase 2 on the pullback, hopefully not too steep or deep, and then phase 3 on the move higher. This is what I'm looking for in Deckers. So this is just the phase 1. This is just the first part of this move. So we'll see how it goes. And by the way, you just want to keep your stop somewhere in here. Don't be a dope and don't have a stop. Just make sure you've got some kind of risk management in mind in case the stock is wrong, because I know I'm not, but the stock may be wrong in this one and it might move against you. And so, you know, you don't want to be giving away too much money. By the way, I was joking. The stock is never wrong, only the trader. Okay. All right. I'll see you guys next time.